In this video, we will look at the reaction between a solid copper oxide and dilute sulfuric acid to make copper sulfate solution, which is blue in color, and from this solution we will make copper sulfate crystals. In order to perform this experiment, we will need certain equipments and chemicals. As chemicals are required, we need to do a risk assessment and check the hazard cards. We have realized we should wear goggles and gloves. Let's start the experiment. Step 1. Measure 2 grams of copper oxide using a balance, which we have already measured here, and measure 50 ml of 1 molar sulfuric acid in a measuring cylinder. Boil the water in a kettle to prepare a hot water bath. We will need this to speed up the reaction between copper oxide and sulfuric acid. Hot water helps to dissolve copper oxide faster in sulfuric acid to make copper sulfate solution. Pour sulfuric acid into the beaker and add slowly copper oxide powder into the sulfuric acid and stir well to dissolve copper oxide in sulfuric acid. Stir the solution well till you start to see blue color appearing, which means copper oxide is reacting well with sulfuric acid to make copper sulfate solution. Keep stirring the solution till the copper oxide is completely dissolved in sulfuric acid. Step 4. Filter the solution of copper sulfate using a filter paper, funnel and conical flask. This is to remove any excess of unreacted copper oxide from the solution of copper sulfate. Here we have, after filtration, pure copper sulfate solution. And as we can see, that filter paper has not allowed any excess or unreacted copper oxide to go through into the solution of copper sulfate inside the conical flask. Step 6. Pour the pure copper sulfate solution into the evaporating basin so that we can start heating the copper sulfate solution using a Bunsen burner to make copper sulfate solution. Step 7. Heating the copper sulfate solution to make copper sulfate crystals. Set up your Bunsen burner as you see here, and before you turn on the Bunsen burner, make sure it is set on a safety flame. You can do that by checking the hole in the Bunsen burner should be fully closed. Step 8. Keep your evaporating basin with filtrate on top of the gauze. Then light the Bunsen burner to boil your filtrate. Heat the filtrate for a few minutes till you see it is boiling. After some time, crystals of copper sulfate will begin to appear. After heating for 10 to 12 minutes, you will see crystals of copper sulfate will appear.